Hey Kelly, so I don't know if you've ever been here, but this is Barn Hollow and it's just like a drop. I don't know what was here before. There was some sort of structure here, but they like burned the pillars. I don't know if I can get the pillar in the background. They like burned the pillars of whatever structure was here. I guess it was something to keep people from going over the edge. There's a river way down there, but I'm not sure if it's possible to get down to it without like plummeting to your death. It's a little bit dizzying. Well, I made it. That was the end of the trail. I'm excited because this is my first hike without my knee brace on. And yeah, I made it. I made it to the end of the trail. It's not a super long trail. I don't know, maybe like a mile, but yeah. This is the first dogwood trees I've seen blooming this season. I don't know if you remember this, but dogwood trees were always Mom's favorite. And like when we would come down to Missouri on family vacations, that would be like her favorite thing was when the dogwood trees were blooming. And it was like Easter time and stuff got like bright out and there were birds like those ones. I don't know, it's kind of nice. Like the weather's been cold the last couple of days, but it was really nice all week last week. So we are kind of getting into spring with a little minor setback. I'm in Salem, Arkansas today for a dentist appointment, as usual. What I do when I come to Salem, Arkansas. There's some flowers too. Daffodils. The coronavirus. So it's funny, your last video, both of our last videos, we talked about corona a little bit, but it has messed everything up basically since the last time I talked to you. There are so many schools shut down. Basically the entire state of Illinois is more or less shut down. We are okay where we are at, kind of. They are talking about if they get a case in our county, then they're going to have to shut the school down for a couple more weeks. It's currently spring break, so they're kind of hoping that during spring break, you know, everybody's going to get sick and then everybody's going to get better. I think, and just, I mean, this is just from talking to Ted, because, you know, he's a nurse and all. We may have already had corona sweep through here and just didn't know because we couldn't test for it. I don't know. It's just there were a lot of very mysterious respiratory illnesses that happened basically since Thanksgiving. They've been going on, and we didn't have corona tests here, so we didn't know what they were, and they were testing negative for flu. So it may have already come through and we may already have it or have gotten it or whatever, and we just have no idea. But anyway, that's his idea on it. And I totally agree. Being at the school and being able to see like how many kids were sick out with the flu. And the flu was really bad this year. We did have a lot of kids test positive for it. And it was really bad, but there were also a lot that weren't flu. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. We'll see what, if we get shut down, the school gets shut down. Color Guard is completely canceled for the whole season. It was pretty devastating. I don't know if you keep up watching the Spintronics channel at all, but there was a lot of tears. And we still have a few more vlogs to go before we get to that vlog, but we did do our final performance as a live stream, and that's up too. So yeah, it's been rough. It has definitely been rough.